Welcome back to our channel, where we share amazing tips and tricks to enhance your travel experiences. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 15 photos you should always have saved on your phone while traveling. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these important items. Let's get started. First up, your driver's license. This is an absolute must-have when you're traveling, especially if you plan on renting a car or driving in a foreign country. Having a photo of your driver's license on your phone can save you a lot of hassle if you misplace the physical copy. It's a convenient backup that can help you avoid any unnecessary roadblocks. Next on our list are your health insurance cards. Accidents happen, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. By having a photo of your health insurance cards readily available on your phone, you can easily access vital information in case of an emergency. It's a small step that can potentially save you from unexpected medical expenses. Don't forget about your medications. For those who rely on daily prescriptions or have specific medical needs, having a photo of your medication details is crucial. This way, you'll have a handy reference of dosages, names, and any important instructions. It's essential for maintaining your health and ensuring you don't miss any doses while you're away from home. Emergency contacts are an absolute must-have on your phone. In case of any unforeseen situations or emergencies, having the contact information of your loved ones or trusted friends can be a real lifesaver. Take a screenshot or save a photo with all the important numbers, so you can quickly reach out for help when you need it the most. Keeping your bank cards and credit cards safe is crucial while traveling. But let's face it, we're all human, and things can go wrong. To avoid getting stranded without access to your funds, take photos of your cards, front and back. This way, if they get lost or stolen, you'll have all the necessary information to cancel or replace them promptly. If you're planning on renting a car during your travels, capturing a photo of the car's license plate is essential. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of time and confusion, especially when you're parked in busy areas or using parking garages. Having a quick reference to the license plate will help you locate your vehicle without any unnecessary hassle. Your doctor's phone number is an often overlooked but incredibly important detail to have saved on your phone. In case of any medical concerns or emergencies while you're away from home, being able to reach out to your trusted healthcare provider can provide peace of mind. Take a screenshot or save a photo of their contact details to ensure easy access when needed. No travel adventure can begin without it. Having a digital copy of your passport on your phone is like having a virtual safety net. In the unfortunate event that you lose your physical passport, having a photo of it can expedite the process of obtaining a replacement at the nearest embassy or consulate. Remember, your passport is your ultimate ticket to exploring the world. Next up, let's talk about your itinerary. Whether you're traveling solo or with a group, having a photo of your itinerary can keep you on track and ensure you don't miss any important activities or reservations. It's a handy reference that helps you stay organized and maximize your travel experience. So, snap a photo of that itinerary and keep it easily accessible on your phone. When staying at hotels or lodgings, it's crucial to remember your room number and key details. A photo of your room number and key can be a lifesaver if you accidentally forget or lose this important information. It helps you avoid any confusion or inconvenience when returning to your room after a day of exploration. Speaking of hotels or lodgings, it's essential to have a photo of the address where you're staying. This is especially helpful when communicating with local drivers, navigating through unfamiliar streets, or seeking assistance from locals. Having a clear snapshot of the address ensures you can easily communicate your destination and reach your accommodation with ease. Traveling with friends, family, or a significant other, don't forget to capture a photo of the people you're traveling with. These cherished moments spent together deserve a special place on your phone. Plus, having a photo of your travel companions can be useful in case you get separated or need to provide identification for group activities or bookings. Let those happy memories shine through. Apart from your passport, there might be other important documents specific to your trip. This could include travel visas, travel insurance information, or any pre-arranged permits. Take photos of these important documents and keep them in a separate folder on your phone. This way, you'll have all the necessary information readily available whenever required. If you're traveling with your spouse or significant other, don't forget to capture a photo of them. These sentimental moments with your loved one deserve a special place in your travel memories. It's a beautiful reminder of the shared experiences and the bond you create while exploring new places together. Let love be the focus of your travel. Last but definitely not least, don't forget to have a collection of photos with sentimental value on your phone. These could be pictures of loved ones, pets, or meaningful places that hold a special place in your heart. These images can bring you comfort and joy, reminding you of the people and things that matter most, no matter where you are in the world. And there you have it, the 15 photos you should always have saved on your phone while traveling. Remember, these photos are like your personal travel toolkit, ensuring you have important information and cherished memories at your fingertips. So, before you embark on your next adventure, take a few moments to gather and save these essential photos. Trust me, it will make your journey smoother and more memorable. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel tips and guides. Thank you so much for watching, and safe travels.